Check, 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 test, test, test. Testing, testing. 1, 2, 1, 2. Looks like we've got sound going through there. Check, 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 check. 1, 2, 1, 2. Just a bit of a sound test. See if I get rid of that buzz. Ladies. Check, 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 check. Ko whetu matarau te maunga. Ko awa tere te awa. Whānau a hunara, whānau a hinerupe. Me te whānau a hunara ngā hapu. Ana reira nau mai hara mai. Ki te papa tākaro whutiporo ki te araro. Mo tēnei kēmu wainganui te haukainga i a Tokorārangi. A me ngā manuhiri no WAIAPU. Nei rā te mihi ki ngā kaitautoko mo tēnei whakapāho kia koutou. A rā te kamupene o te runanga nui o Ngāti Porou. He mihi nunui kia rātou hei whakahonohono i a tātou i ngā wikene mō ngā kēmu karapu whutupōro o Ngāti Porou. Kia ora whānau, welcome to today's broadcast, kindly brought to you by Te Runanga Nui o Ngāti Porou. We're just checking ourselves, make sure that we're all set to go. We've got sound coming through. Sounds like we're good to go. Just waiting for our team sheets to come through. And then our camera crew will get on to sorting out today's game for you. Just going to get our scoreboard up on the board there for you, as well as our sponsors. Of course, the big mihi to our sponsors, Te Runanga Nui o Ngāti Porou. Kindly bringing you today's coverage. Got the teams for you here as we wait for them to come onto the paddock. Patience Ngātai wearing number 1 for Tokorārangi. Frankie Tihore wearing number 2. Jade Walker joining them in the front row. Anna Edwards, Dana Wiedepa in the middle row. Henny Pipi Edwards and Shaka Khan Edwards are your Lucy's. Amo Ngata at the back, wearing number 8. Ria Mataira in at halfback. Takura Ngata at number 10. Mere M, that's all I've got, is a Mere M wearing number 11. Matero Waito at number 12. Iritana Taniora wearing number 13. Shanae, I think that's a Shanae Brooking McDonald. Talia wearing number 15. Genevieve and Shayna Pahuru on the bench. Right, WAIAPU. Rākai Papuni, she's the captain. Brenna August, Lane Tangaire. Puia Rangihuna, Billy Delamere. Billy Tangaire, Fawn Birkin, Rere Papuni, Tiki Taniro, Danielle Nepe, Jamaica Grant, Kimmy Atkins, Phi Bishop, Hariata Hovel, Southern Tangaire at the back. Clark King, Kyra Jews, Jurgen Kururangi, Holly Baines, Caitlin Pere, Caitlin, Oriwa Atkins, and Madison Hamiota are your reserves. So not far away from kickoff here. Waiapu with the kicking duties. Referee, I don't know who that referee is today. And we're underway. Let's get on to your cameraman. Just trying to find the time control. There we are. We're underway. Tokararangi bring it back towards their 10-metre line here. Working it up through one of the forwards there. Good run there. She's still going. I think that was the number 6, Edwards, into Waiapu territory now. Still there for Waiapu. I think that's Joseph Peebles. That's the ref out there today. Waiapu have turned this over outside their 10-metre line. It's gone backwards, says the referee. Tokararangi up quickly on them. Waiapu working it slowly back to their 10-metre line. They come out again. That's Papuni. Papuni takes it into contact. It's been ripped off her though. It didn't look like a release in there. Referee says play on. They spin it out wide. Good hands there from Tokararangi. Just outside Waiapu's 22 here. Referee's got a little knock on in there. Good crowd here already for the first game of this women's round. We've got a little substitute running on the park here. Little man looking for his parents, so he's off the park now. Waiapu scrum feed here. It's Tanido to feed the scrum. It's in the back there for her. They come off the back through the number 8 there. It's there for Waiapu. No halfback though. It's been stolen. Referee says play on though. First time I've seen a referee wearing what are those hats called? Just outside the Waiapu 22 here is Tokararangi on attack. It might have been lost forward. Picked up here by one of the Waiapu players. Referee says no, we'll have the scrum. No, I don't know if that's Joe. I'm not sure who the referee is here, Whānau. Apologies. Midfield scrum here. For Waiapu. Oh no, it's Tokararangi attacking ball. Ball in. It's there. It's at the back. They go off the back through their number 8. Through the hands here. Oh, nice wrap around. They got numbers here. Tokararangi heading for the corner. Referee's got a forward pass though, I think. He'll come back for a forward pass. It looked like Tokararangi were away to the corner there. Beautiful day here in Te Araroa. Of course, top heavy with games today. Games at TVC. Doubleheader out there with Hikurangi versus TVC. City versus Hicks Bay, Wharekahika. Of course, doubleheader here at the Te Araroa Domain. Defensive scrum feed here for Waiapu. It's at the back for them. Tanido looking for the it's been turned over there by Tokararangi. They take it off the back through their number 8. That's Amo Ngata. They get the pass out though. Out through the hands they come. It's messy. Defence is up quickly. That looked like a little knock-on, and the referee was out of position, though. They get the ball, referee. Penalty here against Tokorarangi. About 5:10 outside their 22. They tap and go through Taniro, I think it is. Taniro. Bit of a run up towards the halfway line. They come out wide. Oh, nice skills there from Tangaire to hang on to that. Sorry, they're just over the 10-metre line. Little step there from the winger. She's away down the sideline. Steps back infield. Still going over towards the Tokorarangi 10-metre line. Halfback in there looking for the ball. No advantage, says the referee. There'll be a penalty. Just stay in close, brother. It's a line out here. Oh no, what's happened there? Should be a WAIAPU throw-in, no? Is that a kick from new ref out there? Oh, that was kicked out by WAIAPU, wasn't it? Penalty? He should get the throw-in. New rules here. Never mind. We'll go with them. Nobody's moaning about it. And there's a new one. Put the mouth guard in the hand, then drop it onto the ground before you jump for the ball. Might have been lost forward there by Tokorarangi. Play on, says the referee. Taniro sends it over the top of her player's head. Back there to tidy up, though, is Tangaire. It's Southern Tangaire. Brings it back up the middle of the park. Some big contact there. Whistle's gone. They tap and go. Does WAIAPU. Referee will bring him back off the mark, I think is the call. Penalty, though. Just their own side of halfway here. 0-0 if you've just joined us. 7 minutes gone in this first half, kindly brought to you by Te Runanga Nui o Ngāti Porou. They tap and go. WAIAPU through Tangaire. Gets the pass away to August. Over the halfway they go, out wide this time. They've got a couple of wingers with them. That's the centre there taking it up. That's Whai Bishop. WAIAPU still with possession here. Just over Tokorarangi's 10-metre line now. They've still got it. They bring it out to... That's the number 7. Up the middle she goes. One more to beat. Gets away from her. Gonna race away for the first points here. Let's have a look at the replay here. It's the number 7. Number 7 is Fawn Birkin. Gonna race away, put the first points on the board for WAIAPU. 5-0 with the kick to come. Some nice work there from the WAIAPU flanker. There's the kicker there. It's come back quite a way. Successful kick there. Takes the score out to 7-0. Tokorarangi got a bit of a hui under the post. Trying something different here today. We've got a couple of cameras up, but I'm trying to commentate and film with one. And Bro Mahuta on our main cam. So try not to moan too much of this. Tokorarangi make their way back for the restart. Great to see the crowd here. Of course, they've got a men's game coming up at 2 p.m. With a big crowd here. Tokorarangi about to get us back underway. They send it deep. WAIAPU bring it out of the 22 here. Set it up midway 10 metre 22. Little knock on in there. Referee's going to blow that up. What's that one? A little bit of a west here. It's supposed to go southwest. Attacking scrum here for Tokorarangi. About 25 out, more or less straight in front of the post here. It's there. They go blind. Out now through the hands. Numbers here. Can they get the pass away? No. They hang on to it. They set it up just inside the 22. Backline. It's been turned over though. As WAIAPU come away with a true Tangaire. Tangaire. Some big defence there. They spin it out wide. It's out to Papuni. Papuni takes it into contact in the middle. It's there again for Taniro. Numbers here for WAIAPU. Do they spin it? Out now to Atkins and straighten up the middle. Goes Bishop. Bishop fends off one. She's in the space here. Goes Bishop now. Will she race away with it? Beautiful run there. Chasers are coming. That's another 5-pointer to WAIAPU. Get a look at the replay there as they spun it out wide. Came out to Atkins. She gave it to Bishop. Bishop chopped back infield. Then the big fend came out, and then it was a straight race to the finish line or to the goal line. Another 5-pointer there for WAIAPU, takes the score out to 12 points to 0 with the kick to come. Kick, of course, is underneath the post here. And the kicker, she's taken it back quite a fair way. Just inside the 22 here, right out in front of the post. Hey, if she was a bit closer, it might have gone over. I'm not the kicker, I'll just shoosh up here in the cheap seats. Love our refs logo this year. Give it a go or shoosh. Score remains 12-0. After those 2 early tries to WAIAPU. Tokorarangi get us underway again. WAIAPU bring it back. I think that's Hina. Sets it up 5 metres shy of the halfway line. They go again. WAIAPU starting to get into their work now. They spin it out to Papuni again. Good phase play here from WAIAPU. I think they're into about their 4th phase now as they come out wide. Atkins, oh, some big hits there. Might have been high. What's the referee say? Stoppage here. Penalty 8 metres inside their own half here for WAIAPU. They kick it out. They should get the penalty here. I mean, the line out throw. We'll watch with interest on this one. Of course, previous penalty, the throw was given to the opposition. Here we go. Got it the right way this time. Looks like a short line out called by WAIAPU. WAIAPU ball. August with the throw. They go high. It's taken down at the front. Good hands there. They spin it out wide. Looking for runners. Cut back on the inside here. Back to her feet though. Plays the ball. It's there for Tanido again. Up now to Papuni. Papuni driving forward. Tanido looking for the ball again. Referee is letting this go. They go back infield to Tangaire. Tangaire sets it up. Midway 10 metre 22 now. Out wide they go. WAIAPU got numbers here. Defence up quickly though, holding them out there on the 10 metre line. It's there for Tanido again. Comes back infield to Atkins. Atkins, they throw a pass. It's bounced kindly there for Tangaire. Defence from TOKA pushing WAIAPU back here. They come out again through Atkins again. Atkins has a go. Got a winger with her this time, but she straightens back up the middle of the field here. Midway 10 metre 22 now. WAIAPU looking for the ball. That's Birkin again with the ball. Strong runner. Takes it down just shy of the 22. Tanido comes back to this near side. That's August with the ball. Gets it away to Papuni. Papuni into the 22. She goes, oh, they just get her. Might have lost the ball forward there. What's the referee say? It's still there with WAIAPU. 7-8 out from the line now. Oh, and if they're going to get a try here, the tackler fell off. They go around behind the post. I'll try and catch what happened there. I missed it. You can see the good run there from Papuni. I think that's Hina. Gets to her feet again. No, that's number 5. That's Delamere. Billy Delamere doing all the work there. Better add the points to that one. 17-0 with the kick to come. Comes in, she strikes. Successful conversion there. WAIAPU out to a 19-0 lead. This first game kindly brought to you by Te Runanga Nui o Ngāti Porou. Beautiful day up here in Te Aroha. WAIAPU off to a good start here at the Te Aroha Domain. 3 unanswered tries. 2 of them have been converted. Monty Kude is our referee. Ka pai, Monty. New ref, ka pai. Hopefully that buzzing is not coming through. Thought we've sorted the buzzing noise. Back underway here. Little knock on there from WAIAPU though. Okay, there is a little buzz coming through our hopefully I'm trying to sort that little buzz out for you, whānau. Scrum down here is Tukorarangi come to the near side. Oh, nice dummy thrown there. And good, strong running here from Tukorarangi. Get the pass away. They'll go in the corner. First points on the board for Tukorarangi if you watch it off the back of the scrum there. Some nice work here from the number 8. She gets the ball off the base of the scrum. Gets the pass away. Good dummy thrown, some nice running, nearly goes all the way. Just gets the pass away at the end there. I think that was WAIAPU that got the 5-pointer there. So nobody from Tukorarangi wants to take the conversion. Or that or their kicker has forgotten that there is a conversion to be taken. No conversion. Score remains 19-5. Tukorarangi get themselves on the scoreboard here. Be WAIAPU having to come back and restart. Bit of a stoppage here, I'm not sure what's going on. Just getting the kids behind the white line here. Behind the barrier. WAIAPU about to get us back underway here. Taken cleanly there by WAIAPU, the try scorer. Runs into orange wall though, but gets the pass away now. Out to the winger they go. Taken over the sideline there. Cross on their far side of the field. Tukorarangi retained the throw-in though. No. WAIAPU throw-in. Our linesman's arm is pointing the wrong way. Confusing us all. WAIAPU go high. Not straight though, says the referee. We'll come back for a scrum. At 23 minutes gone in this first half. Kindly brought to you by Te Runanga Nui o Ngāti Porou. WAIAPU just waiting for their forwards who are standing out on the wings to come back. Just waiting for the scrum to set here. You can see it's about 5 metres inside Tukorarangi territory. Ball in. They come out through the backs. They put the boot to it. Chase downfield here. WAIAPU come up with it. Still going here is the WAIAPU fullback. Defence up quickly now. WAIAPU come away with it. Halfback in there looking for the ball now is Tanido. They send it out to, I think that was August. They go to ground. It's the referee say it's there. It's messy, but it's a maul taken in by WAIAPU. It'll be a Tukorarangi scrum feed. Scrum down. Just inside WAIAPU's 22. Oh, 10 metre line, I should say, just outside. Just waiting for the scrum to set here. Big mihi to our listeners, kindly tuned in via the airwaves. Always a pleasure connecting our people, whether you're on our Facebook page or over the airwaves. Beautiful day, right along the coast today. Just remember those games up the top end. Hikurangi versus TVC, double header. Men's game in Hicks Bay as City take on Hicks Bay. It's there for WAIAPU though. They go back infield. Looking for the ball, another pick and go here. It's there for their halfback. They go out to the open to Ngātai. She gets the pass away. It's gone backwards, towed through here by WAIAPU though. Messi tied it up by Tokorarangi. They drive it back over the 10 metre line. Referee's got a penalty here against WAIAPU. Just waiting to see what Tokorarangi's decision here is. Do they go for a line-out? No, they call for a scrum. Another midfield scrum here. Scrum down. Ball in, it's there at the back for the number 8. Lost forward here. Referee's playing advantage as WAIAPU come up with the ball. Still playing advantage here. It's there for WAIAPU now. They bring it out to Tangaire. Tangaire tries to push past the first tackler. It's set up now. They come out to Papuni again. Takes it to ground, midway 10 metre 22. They go back open to August. No, that wasn't August. That was the number 8. That was Papuni. They work it up towards their 10 metre now. Taniro in there looking for the ball. They go out wide. Numbers here for WAIAPU. Look to spin it through the hands. The defence is up there though. Out now to Bishop. Bishop gets the pass away. Down that far sideline they go. They'll race away here. It's the fullback. Sorry, the number 7 again, is it? No, that's Southern, is it? Southern Tangaire. We'll take a look at the replay here, if the replay will let us. Get the ball out wide here to Bishop. Bishop gets a beautiful pass away to Tangaire, who just uses her pace down that far sideline. It's a 60, 70 metre run to extend their lead out to 24 points to 5 with the kick to come. Some nice work done there by the WAIAPU fullback. As we count down towards half time. Number 18 is Danielle Nepe. Or Danielle Nepe, I should say. Successful conversion there, 26 points to 5. WAIAPU lead. What's this, round 3? Round 3 women's clash. Coming at you from the Te Araroa domain, courtesy of Te Runanga Nui o Ngāti Porou. Big mihi to our sponsors, keeping you connected. be Tukarārangi get us underway again. And this the Kura Ngata gets us underway. It's gone right back for number 15. That's Southern Tangaire. Steps one, pushes out of another, gets taken to ground note. Just inside her 22. WAIAPU still got it here, but it's been turned over by Tukarārangi as they break down the sideline here through Tani order. It's gone backwards, though, still in position, though, Tukarārangi. They work it back through the number 8. It's there again. Out wide to Ngātai, I think it was. Tukarārangi still got no, there's Ngātai there. Patience Ngātai. Ball just not quite going to hand. It's been towed ahead by one of the WAIAPU players, but I think that's Waito. Taking it back for Tukarārangi up towards the 22, but the referee's got a knock on in there. Oh no, it's a penalty. Penalty against Tukarārangi. Just outside the WAIAPU 22. A little bit of wind up here. Try and shield our mic from the wind as well as switching and do the camera. Safely into touch just inside their own 10-metre line there. Kick from WAIAPU. Over there in the shade, hard to see. Short line out called here by WAIAPU. They send a few of the forwards out to the back line. Quick line out through the hands now. They send it wide. Comes out to Bishop. Bishop's got a runner with her. Bishop takes it into contact. Tries to get the pass away, but sets it up. WAIAPU. Oh, it's been stolen there by Tukarārangi. Number 22, I think it is. Good run there. Tukarārangi through Ngātai now. Ngātai pushing off a couple of players. Pass might have gone forward. WAIAPU play on, says the referee. Play to the whistle, ladies. Little knock on, says the referee against Tukarārangi. It'll be a WAIAPU scrum feed. Tukarārangi building momentum there, just unable to get the passes to go to hand. Some nice work there by the prop, by Ngātai. Dragged a few players with her as she went down that far sideline. Defensive scrum feed here for WAIAPU. About a metre inside their 22. Shouldn't be far away from half time here. It's at the back, big shunt there from Tukarārangi as Tanito goes blind in a bit of space here. Takes on the defence. Gets dragged over the sideline. Nice little break there though from Tanito. Get her team out of that red zone. Be a Tukarārangi line-out throw though. Can't be too far away from the last play of the half. Short line-out called here from Tukarārangi. They're go high. It's tapped down on the Waiapu side. Taniro gives it out. They give it wide again. Out to Atkins. Atkins out to Bishop. Bishop straightening up. She goes for a run. She's got a winger with her. Not going to need her though is Bishop. As Bishop down the sideline, she'll race away again. Some nice work again there by Phi Bishop. She'll push the score out to 31-5 with the kick to come. Let's see if the replay caught it. Hands here from Waiapu. You can see Bishop started to arc around, threw a dummy. Just had the wheels down the sideline. Another long range try there from Waiapu. That one there to Bishop that time. The kicker lines this one up. That's NPEC, Danielle. Good attempt over the post. 33 points to 5. And that's half time here at the Te Araroa Domain. This coverage kindly brought to you by Taru Nui o Ngāti Pro. We're going to play some music for you in the studio. And we'll be back with your second half shortly. Hopefully we're coming through. Yeah. Check, 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 check. Just testing here is WAIAPU get us underway. Oh, up the middle they go again. That's another break from the number 7. WAIAPU get us back underway the way they finished with a try here. You see that number 7, Fawn Birkin, gets the ball at first receiver, just a little jink inside, beats the tackles, and the space opens up for her at the back. That'll take the score out to 38-5 with the kick to come. Now change a kicker here. Is that, I think that's Jews out there. 40 points to 5 after that quick try from one of the WAIAPU players there. So Tokorarangi coming back to get us underway again. I think there's a swap of refs here. Got another ref for the second half. New refs. See if I can get you a name for this new ref. Underway here. Now, being told there's no sound. Is the sound coming through? Just leave you on the no sound. I think I just heard it. This is why if we bring it back up over the halfway here. Oh, and it's Tangaire that's going to race away with it this time. Watch the replay here. Came through the hands here for WAIAPU. Little mix up there. They got it away though. And then just quick hands out to their fullback. They use their pace to get around the outside and go all the way. That's 45 points to 5 after that try with the kick to come. And it's Jews again with the kicking duties. Didn't quite have the legs for that one. Score remains 45-5. Just waiting for WAIAPU, sorry, Tokorarangi and come back, get us underway. There's a new ref out there. Had a swap of refs at half time. Monty Kure was the ref in the first half. We have a ball again. Tokararangi get us underway again. They let it bounce though, this WAIAPU. They pick it up on the bounce. Nice pick up there. Looking for the ball now is the halfback. It's been turned over from Tokararangi, though, stolen. It comes through the hands here. They've got numbers out now to that danger person. It goes up to Adkins this time. Adkins shrugs off a couple of tackles, takes it down just shy of the 10-metre line. Halfback in there looking for the ball. She's got her forwards lined up to that far side. Papuni pushes off one. Still going. Takes a couple to get her to the ground. Ball's messy though, spilled out across that far side. Might be advantage here for Tokararangi. No, there's a penalty here for WAIAPU. High tackle, I think, is the call. Someone went high in that attempt on Papuni. WAIAPU will look to push this down the sideline. Good touch finder there. Takes play just outside Tokararangi's 10-metre by a couple of metres. Attacking line out coming here for WAIAPU. 45-5 if you've just joined us. Coverage kindly brought to you by Te Runanganui o Ngāti Pro. There's a bit of a sub out there, number 17 for Tokararangi. Oh, I don't have a name. The name I've got for number 17, I know the person, and that's not her. Stolen from WAIAPU though at the front of the line out. And that's Birkin again. Might have been lost forward. Play on, says the referee, as Tokararangi come away with it. Ngātai out to, they spin it through the hands. Oh, just a little knock on there. WAIAPU come up with it, they're playing advantage, says the referee. As Bishop, they go down the sideline. Bishop takes it down just outside the 22. Hands from Jews, goes infield. Doesn't go to hand, they play on, says the referee, as Tokararangi come up with it. Run here from Tokararangi as they look to get it away. Pass just not quite going to hand. WAIAPU there in numbers. Referee playing advantage here for WAIAPU though. Penalty. No release, I think, is the call. Jews in there looking to take it quickly. There's an injured player down in the foreground. Oh, our camera had it. No. Too busy watching the old tree across in the far corner. Bit of cramp here. Understandable, she's had a lot of running to do today, has the number one, Rakai Papuni for WAIAPU. Been involved in quite a lot of the plays today. The Jews with the ball. I need some magic water. Referee is saying we're going to play on. She's a part of the line out. You won't be able to take the line out without her. Pushed into touch here. Oh, guess what? Clever Dick forgot to start the time. So it will be in referee's hands. We won't, we'll leave time off. Otherwise we'll confuse ourselves and confuse others that are watching. Attacking line out coming here for WAIAPU. 5 metres out from the line. They'll do it without the prop. They go to the front. Trick play. Can they get it down just short of the line there? Better get in on the play here on our camera. That helps. WAIAPU on attack in the corner. After that trick play at the front of the line out. They drive again. It's Tokararangi have it though. Might have been turned over. What do we have? Is it a carried back 5 metre scrum or is it a line dropout? Conversation is happening on the sideline. Line dropout? Bit of confusion here. Looks like a scrum. 5-metre scrum. Whose ball? Tokorarangi. Must have been knocked on by a Waiapu player in goal. I'm picking. It's a defensive line out though for Tokorarangi. You can see they're only 5 metres out from their line in that far corner. They sneak to go blind. Nice move here. Dummy thrown. Looking for a runner. There it is. Oh, it might have been no. I thought it was picked off there by a Waiapu player, but Tokorarangi still have it. Out over there, 22 they go. They come back infield. I think that was Wiedepa. Hands again up to Ngatai. Ngatai gets the pass away. That's the other number 3. That's Walker. It's there for Tokorarangi again. Nice juggle there. They get the pass away. Defense is up quickly from Waiapu though as they go out to Wiedepa again. She takes on the defense. Tokorarangi just working it up from the base of the ruck. They throw it out wide. Now, oh, little knock on. Waiapu come up with the ball. Halfback in there, digging in for it. They come out wide. Kick is in. Chase is coming. Who gets there first? Tokorarangi, little chip forward. Might be a 22. Might have been kicked over there by the Waiapu attacking player and then placed by Tokorarangi player in the in goal. Or was it carried back? There's an injured player down. 45-5 if you've just joined us for coverage of this women's game. First up in the double header today. We'll be bringing you the men Waiapu versus Tokorarangi from 2 p.m. Injured player down here. Injured player down here. Looks like we're back underway though. Just waiting for the restart here. I think it's a line dropout, but it wasn't taken properly, so there'll be a 5-metre scrum. Attacking opportunity here for Waiapu. Five-metre attacking scrum coming here. Looks like a substitution. Pakai Papuni being substituted there. That's Jews has gone into halfback. It's at the back here for Waiapu. They pick and go blind. Big defence here from Tokorarangi, but they take it down just shy of the line there. That's the number 8. That was Rere Papuni. Penalty here against Waiapu. Tokorarangi, tap and go. They look to spin it. Waitoa takes the contact. Nice pass, offload there. Defence up quickly for Waiapu. They go blind again. It might have been a little knock on in there. What's the referee say? Advantage here for Waiapu. Double knock on, I think. It'll be a scrum feed to WAIAPU. First knock on from Tokorarangi. This one here about 15, 16 metres out from Tokorarangi's line. Big blind, big open here for WAIAPU and a big blind. There's Jews. The ref will say we'll have another scrum here. I thought he was going to give a penalty. Resets the scrum. We go again. It's there at the back for Papuni. Oh, big shunt here from Tokorarangi. It's popped out on their side. They got an open here as it comes out to Waito. Waito steps back infield, throws the pass. Oh, it did well. A little knock on, I think. What's the referee say? No advantage here to WAIAPU. Still playing advantage though. No advantage. He'll come back for the scrum feed here. Little knock on there as Tokorarangi looked to spin it out wide. This one here, roughly the same position, about 15, 16 out from the Tokorarangi line. Ball in, it's there for Papuni. Is it? No, Tokorarangi pushed over this again. They send it wide, they've got numbers here. Nice drawn pass there. They work it out of their 22. Looking to come back to this near side. Give it up to Ngatai. Ngatai takes it over to 22. Still there. Might have been an advantage there against WAIAPU. They go open out to the far side. Still there for Tokorarangi. They go again. Might have been lost forward though. Referee playing advantage here for WAIAPU as Jews picks it up. Jews kicks it over the top. It's gone dead. What's the referee say? Was that advantage? Be a scrum where it was kicked from, was it? A little bit of confusion. Looks like it'll be a scrum from where the ball was kicked from. It'll be Tokorarangi scrum feed. Beautiful day here in Te Aroha. As I can see, it's probably a beautiful day right along the coast. Looking north over Hicks Bay towards Whangaparaoa. She looks like a beauty day around there as well. Tokorarangi defensive scrum feed here. Ball in. It's at the back for Tokorarangi. They come out open. Waito gets the pass away. It just doesn't quite go to hand. It's been towed through by WAIAPU. They play on, says the referee. As Tokorarangi come up with it again. They drive it towards their 22. They get the pass away. It's scrappy. It's messy. WAIAPU might have turned this over. What's the referee say? Play on as Tokorarangi come up with it. True Pahuru. He gets the pass away. Well, she gets the pass away. Tokorarangi still got control of this. They drive it forward again. Midway 10 metre 22. They're still going here as Tokorarangi. They bring it up to the halfway here. They spin it back infield. It's there for them. Working it over the halfway now. Tokararangi through Ngātai this time. Forwards keeping it in close. Up towards the WAIAPU 22. Good run here from Tokararangi. They keep coming out to this near side. Oh, nice hands to hang on to that. I think that was Taniora. Some beautiful offloading here from these ladies as the Tokararangi into the 22 now. It's messy, it's gone backwards, says the referee. 15 out from the line. Tokararangi driving, keeping it in close. Oh, might have been a little knock on. What's the ref say? Little knock on in there against Tokararangi as they were building momentum. They took it from way back in the near their 22 all the way up to WAIAPU's into the 22. Forwards keeping it in close. Nearly got there, nearly went all the way. Aroha mai whānau, you might have picked up our commentary is a little bit slow. Yeah, the commentator's suffering from vertigo. Every time he looks up, he gets a bit dizzy. So yeah, apologies there. First time I've ever had this condition. Quite hoha, really. I've been told to try seasick pills, but none of the shops sell seasick pills. There's a few exercises I've been directed to give a go. And I was given a warning that they can make you quite sick, quite nauseous, and yes, they do. But anyway, we soldier on, bringing you the coverage of this women's game. Injury break here. One of the Tokararangi ladies getting help from the field. Restart with a scrum, I believe. I believe it was knocked on, and it'll be a WAIAPU scrum feed. About 7 or 8 meters out from WAIAPU's line. Looks like we're about to get back underway here. 45.5 if you've just joined us on Te Reo Irirangi o Ngāti Porou. Our Facebook viewers, of course, have the luxury of a scoreboard on the screen. WAIAPU defensive scrum feed here, about 7 or 8 out from their line. About 20 metres in from this near side. Big shunt there from Tokararangi, but it's at the back for Jews. Jews gives it to her first five. I think that was Delamere. Finds touch safely, brings play outside the 22. Attacking line out here for Tokararangi. About 3 metres outside WAIAPU's 22. Short line out called. They go to the front here. Trick play. Oh, they get the pass back. Beautiful pass. Well, it looked beautiful. Referee in a better position than me. Calls them back. Not sure if that was not 5 or whether the pass was forward. It'll be a Waiapu scrum feed, 15 metres in from touch. About 3 metres outside their 22. Another scrum feed here for Jews. Defence up quickly. Waiapu has been battered backwards though as there's a new player on the park for Waiapu. Takes it down just outside the 22. They go infield. Oh, big contact there. Waiapu looking to drive over. It's been stolen by Tokararangi though. As Tokararangi now work it back towards the Waiapu goal. Inside the 22 here. It's at the back here for Tokararangi. They throw the dummy. Play on, says the referee. Driving at the line go Tokararangi. Couple of metres shy. They might have lost this forward. What's the referee say? It's there for Waiapu. At the base of the ruck. They go back to Jews. Jews puts the boot to it. Sends it down the park here. Tokararangi having to race back for this. Defence up quickly here from Waiapu. They're there in numbers. They take this ball. Only one player to beat. It's the number 23 who'll race away here. Let's take a look at the replay here. You see the kick go right back to the halfway. There's only one Tokararangi player back there. Couple of Waiapu players arrived and then she's all on. Stolen there. The number, is that 22 or 23, racing away there. Pushing the score out to 50 with the kick to come. Waiapu running away with this game, 50 points to 5. Take nothing away from Tokararangi though. They've certainly put up a good battle. Conversion attempt is successful. 52 points to 5. Still time to go. Referee, of course, sole judge of time because this clever fellow didn't push start on his clock. About to get back underway here at the Te Araro domain. They get us back underway. It's not going to go 10, but it's touched by a Waiapu player. So play on is the call. Back now to that Danger player. Looking for support. Might have been stolen here. No, Waiapu still have it. Jews plucks it out. She gives it up to, that's the number 16. I don't have a name for that number 16. Ball's gone into touch across on their far side of the field. Just watching to see what the call is here, whether it's a line out or a... Looks like a line out. Ref looks like he's doing a TikTok out there. Couple of fast actions. Right. We've got a line out. Kapai. No, it's a scrum. He's confussing all of us. Just trying to see who's ball now. Tukorarangi player putting the ball in on the wrong side of the scrum. It's at the back here for Tukorarangi. They break. Nice pass to get it away to the first five. Brings it over the 10-metre line. Still there for Tukorarangi. They're going to keep it in close through Ngātai. Ngātai takes it to ground, 4 shy of the halfway. It's knocked on, but referee says play on as WAIAPU break out wide here with it. They've got their head numbers. It's there again. Numbers are still on here. It might be an injured player there. It doesn't look like she's running freely. As Jews this time. Jews looking for a runner. Gets the pass away to Delamere, I think that is. Delamere will race around behind the post. Number 13. No, that's 5 Bishop, sorry. We'll have a look at the replay. Turnover from Waiapu, and you can see there, I think that was Southern Tangaire. That was just hobbling a bit. You can see her go down in back play. And then Kyra Jews brought the ball forward again and out to her winger, 5 Bishop, or her midfielder, who's done the rest. That will push the score out to 57-5 with the kick to come. She's quite a fair way back for this kick. Brings it right back to the 22. I think someone needs to tell her you don't have to bring it back that far. You can go as close to the post as you want. Of course, usually stay out of the zone of somebody trying to charge you down. Long range attempt there. Did that go over? The ref gave it, so the touchy's flag stayed down because I think he was kicking the ball. But the ref signalled that went over. Well, we'll give it the score of 59. 59-5. So we wait for the ball to come back so we can restart the game. Tukorarangi get us back underway again. Nice high kick taken cleanly there by one of the Waiapu players. Gets out of the first tackle, gets the pass away. Working it back towards the halfway now. Still in play here as Tangaire brings it back infield. Waiapu still got it there as Jews looking for the ball. She's calling for the penalty. Referee finally blows the whistle. What's the call here? Confusion. Waiapu player thinks they've got the penalty. Tukorarangi think they've got the now. Tukorarangi push back 10 metres. Just shy of the halfway here. Looks like they're going to kick for touch. No, they tap and go. Nice offload there from one of the Waiapu forwards. As Waiapu work it up towards the Tukorarangi 10-metre line now. Jews plucks it out. She's got runners. Waiapu hitting it up in the midfield now. They beat the first tackle. Jews looking for the ball again. Goes for a run herself. Oh, backdoor arm flick there. as WAIAPU through that number 7, who's having a massive game today. She'll race away. I think that's her third try. It could be her fourth. Third try there to Fawn Birkin, which will take the score out to 64 points to 5. Let's see if the replay catches it. Jews comes for a bit of a dab down the side, and you see that back flick there, and then Birkin got a hold of it with one to beat. Slipped out of another one. Raced away for, yeah, I think that's her third try of the day. As the conversion attempt coming here. Another successful conversion. And that is full time here, whānau. Referee has signalled full time at the Te Araroa domain. WAIAPU too strong. They take this one 66 points to 5. Gutsy effort from Tokorarangi though, even though the score was getting away on them. They definitely never gave up. A big mihi to our sponsors, of course, Te Runanga Nui o Ngāti Porou, for kindly bringing you this game. We've got Maria in the studio. We're going to sign off at the studio and here at the field. We'll be back just before 2 p.m. With your men's game between WAIAPU and the hosts Tokorarangi. Ka kite.